This story is given in class 3 English book Marigold. In this video, we will see word by word reading of this story. We will see its explanation in Hindi and English, word meanings and sentence formation. So let's get started. He is my brother. This story is about a young girl Meena who carries her brother on her back to visit a holy place nearby. But why she was carrying her brother on her back? Let's read the story to know that. ये कहानी एक बच्ची की है जिसका नाम है मीना। मीना अपने भाई को अपने कंधे में लेकर पास के ही एक पूजनीय स्थान पे जा रही है। लेकिन मीना ने अपने भाई को अपने कंधे पर क्यों लिया हुआ है? कहानी पढ़ते हैं और जानते हैं। Once upon a time, there was a small hill. A path went up the hill. It went through thick and lovely woods of pine and fir trees. People often walked on it to a holy place. So once there was a hill. Hill is a naturally raised area of land and not as high as a mountain. There was a path which was going up the hill. That path was really beautiful because on the sides there were pine and fir trees. Pine and fir trees are usually found in cold or mountainous regions which have needle-like leaves. That path went to a holy place, so people used to go by that beautiful path. एक बार की बात है, एक छोटी सी पहाड़ी थी और उस पहाड़ी से एक रास्ता जाता था। वो रास्ता बहुत ही सुंदर था क्योंकि उस रास्ते में बहुत ही सुंदर और आकर्षक देवदार के पेड़ थे। वह रास्ता देवदार के पेड़ों से होकर गुजरता था। यह पेड़ ज्यादातर ठंडे इलाकों में पाए जाते हैं जिनकी पत्तियां सुई जैसी पैनी होती है। लोग उस रास्ते से एक पवित्र स्थान पर जाया करते थे। One day, when the sun shone high in the sky, many people were seen climbing up the hill. They were climbing slowly and carefully. So one day the weather was not so cold and sun was shining brightly in the sky. There were many people climbing up the hill to go to that holy place. They were climbing slowly and carefully. We should be very careful while climbing up a hill or mountain because it has a slope and sometimes it becomes slippery to walk upon. एक दिन मौसम बहुत अच्छा था, सूरज पहाड़ पर चमक रहा था। उस दिन बहुत से लोग उस पहाड़ी की चढ़ाई कर रहे थे। लोग बहुत ही ध्यान से और धीरे धीरे यात्रा कर रहे थे क्योंकि हमें पहाड़ पे चलते समय बहुत सावधान रहना चाहिए। उसमें ढलान होती है और गिरने का खतरा रहता है। A girl also climbed the hill with them. Her name was Meena. Meena was 12 years old. She carried a small boy on her back. He was 4 years old. His hair was curly. His eyes were black. And his face was as fresh as the morning dew. So there was a girl who was climbing up the hill too with others. Her name was Meena. Meena was 12 years old. She was accompanied by a small boy who was her brother. But he was not walking with her. Surprisingly, she carried him on her back. He was 4 years old. He was very beautiful as he has curly hair with black sparkling eyes. He was looking very fresh as the dew we get to see early in the morning. तो सब लोगों की तरह एक पहाड़ की यात्रा कर रही थी। उसका नाम था मीना। मीना 12 वर्ष की थी। मीना के साथ एक छोटा बच्चा भी था जो कि उसका भाई था। लेकिन हैरानी की बात यह है कि वो लड़का मीना के कंधे पर बैठा था। वह 4 साल का था और बहुत ही सुंदर दिखता था। उसके बाल घुंघराले थे और आंखें काली थी। वो बहुत ही खुश और ताजगी से भरा लग रहा था जैसे सुबह की पहली ओस नई नई सी लगती है। sunshine danced through the trees, Meena climbed the hill slowly and steadily. Meena was happy. The boy was also happy. A man in the group looked at Meena. He felt sorry for her. Now the day was bright and comfortable to climb up the hill. So Meena was climbing up the hill slowly and carefully. Steadily means in a regular and even manner. Meena and her brother was happy. Suddenly, a man started looking at Meena. Even he was feeling sorry for her. But why? Let's read next to know. पहाड़ों पर खिली हुई धूप थी जिसमें मीना धीरे और व्यवस्थित रूप से बराबर चल रही थी। मीना बहुत खुश थी और उसका भाई भी बहुत खुश था। उनके साथ कई लोग और भी चढ़ाई कर रहे थे, जिनमें से एक आदमी मीना को देख रहा था। उस आदमी को मीना पर बहुत तरस भी आ रहा था, लेकिन क्यों? He asked her, "My child, why are you carrying a boy on your back? Don't you feel his load?" Meena looked at him in wonder. She could not understand him. Her brother was unable to walk. Meena asked, "Load? Of course not. He is my brother." Now that man asked Meena that why she is carrying a boy on her back. He said she must be feeling heavy because of his load. He addressed Meena's brother as load. Meena was shocked and looked at that man in wonder. Why? Because it was her brother that she was carrying on her shoulders. So she got shocked because that man called her brother a load. She loved her brother, and because her brother was unable to walk, he was a differently abled boy. That is why she was carrying her brother on her back. She didn't like it as that man called her brother a load. But she answered him that she is not carrying him as load because he is her lovely brother. उस आदमी ने मीना से पूछा, बेटा तुमने इस लड़के को अपने कंधे पे क्यों बिठाया हुआ है? क्या तुम्हें इसका बोझ तंग नहीं करता? उस आदमी ने मीना के भाई को बोझ कहकर संबोधित किया, जो मीना को बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगा। वह अपने भाई से बहुत प्यार करती थी। उसका भाई चल नहीं सकता था, इसीलिए मीना ने उसे अपने कंधे पर बिठाया हुआ था। मीना ने उस आदमी को बहुत हैरानी से देखा और कहा, बोझ? बिल्कुल भी नहीं, ये तो मेरा भाई है। So friends, it happens to us also. No matter how much we argue with our siblings or fight with them, but if a brother or sister has even a little bit of problem, we take care of them in the same way as Meena did. So दोस्तों, चाहे हम अपने भाई बहन से कितना भी झगड़ा करें, लड़ाई करें, लेकिन अगर हमारे भाई या बहन को जरा सी भी तकलीफ होती है, तो हम उनका ध्यान ऐसे ही रखते हैं जैसे मीना ने अपने भाई का रखा। Based on a story by Sanat Kumar Bhatt. Now let's see the word meanings one by one.